Hi everyone, I'm Jackie from the Play by Sephora team.
Hey, I'm David, a beauty director at Sephora.
And we are here to talk to you about your December Play Box.
Yay!
The theme is Cheers to Beauty, and it's all about celebrating the year in review. We talked about festival beauty. We talked about good for you ingredients. It's been an awesome year all about discovering new products, and we've loved having you with us every step of the way.
So this month, we're celebrating the year gone by treating every one of you to an extra trial size sample.
This is huge!
Yeah. So that's 6 trial size samples. So guys, what that means is that instead of a bonus this month, you will get another product that we featured throughout the year.
But it's a surprise.
It's a surprise.
And you know what? Don't forget, each Play Box comes with your Play Pass. It's good for 50 extra beauty and Cider points for a purchase in store and online. That's another huge thing we did this year.
Big thing.
And we know you guys have been enjoying it, so get out there and earn some points.
Yes. As always, guys, there are multiple versions of each box every month. So you're not gonna get everything that you see us go through today, but you will get a great assortment for you.
I think we should probably talk about some product.
Let's get into makeup.
Let's do it.
You look great, you're gorgeous.
Oh my God, thank you.
Incredible. Oh, that, amazing. Good. All right, so let's start in with our first product, which is from Too Faced, and this is the Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Perfecting Primer, and this is from the Peaches and Cream collection. This is a great lightweight, oil-free primer that's going to mattify, blur imperfections. It's gonna brighten your complexion out. I mean, it does
everything.
So much. And also, guys, there's a really lovely scent to this.
I love the way it smells.
It smells so good. It literally smells like peaches, and it's like so nice to apply it on the skin. It wakes you up. It makes you feel happy. So
It feels amazing.
a great primer and a great first step in your makeup application.
I love that one. Well, continuing the peachy theme, we have from Touch in Soul, the Metalist Liquid Foil and Glitter Eyeshadow Duo in Titanium. Glitter eye looks, I feel like, are such a thing for this time of year, and this one makes it so easy. It's a 2-part product.
Easy.
So on one end, you have this amazing glittery cream in this super gorgeous peach, pink.
Love it.
It's almost holographic.
A holographic shift. Yeah.
I'm obsessed with it. And then it comes with a loose glitter
Yes.
that you can tap over this for a really high
Intense
glitter look,
Yes.
which I love.
It's a great, easy way to do a glitter eye look without a lot of fallout or any of that other stuff. It's so good.
And next up from Buxom, we have the full-on Plumping Lip Polish Gloss in Celeste. And it's got these amazing ingredients like vitamin A, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid. So you're going to get that fun tingle that makes your lips look just really full and plump and alluring.
And gorgeous.
So gorgeous. And then you've got the subtle sheen to
Yes.
it. It's not too sticky.
Yeah.
It's got an amazing vanilla mint scent. This is a really big fan favorite. And I really feel like this pairs super well with a bold eye for a holiday party.
It's the best way to complement a bold eye.
Yeah.
Continuing in the lip categories, we have from Sephora collection, the Rouge Gel Lip Liner, and in the shade Nothing But Nude. Okay. I know. So these are really innovative gel formula lip liners, super lightweight, creamy, smooth. Gel lip liners like this are particularly good at lining your lip without getting drags or pulls.
No skipping.
No skipping,
Yeah,
exactly.
obsessed.
It's a really lightweight hydrating formula too, so I actually like to use it all over the whole lip if you want to.
Same, especially in this color because it's so good.
It's a really universal color.
Next up from Trestique, we have the Color Lip Glaze in Paris Pink. I love these light washes of color. This is almost like a lip balm. It's got really hydrating nutrients in it that are going to make the lips feel super conditioned. It's very lightweight, and it's this really pretty wash of almost peony pink color. I feel like I'm taking care of my lips, but also imparting just a little bit of color, which is really important for me because my lips shift a little bit lighter. They don't have a lot of color to them. So this just wakes up my whole face.
Up next, we have another lip product, which we're really excited about.
Love this one.
This is from Shiseido, and this is their Modern Matte Powder Lipstick in the shade Exotic Red.
Oh, yeah.
This is a really fun, weightless formula, very high pigment payoff. You're gonna get one swipe, full coverage, and it dries down to a powder-like finish. So it gives you that beautiful matte, lovely texture without any drying out. They created a bit more of a squared off tip to the bullet. So it's really great for applying those Cupid bows, getting those sharp edges.
Catching those angles.
Yeah. Almost not need a lip liner if
Yeah.
you use it correctly. And the color is so intense.
Yeah.
Jackie's actually wearing it right now because we were like, we have to put this on you. It's so good. Such a universal shade for all skin tones and new from Shiseido. So really exciting. Up next, I'm super excited.
This one's so good.
Tarts Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara in the shade black. No joking, this is my favorite mascara. It's always in my kit. I always have this with me because for me, it is the most universal, easy mascara to use.
Oh, yeah.
It does lengthening, volumizing, it curls. The brush is perfectly designed to work with the formula, which is really key when it comes to mascaras. You can really get this to the base of your lash. One swipe, you can immediately start to see the volumizing and the lengthening effect, but no clumping. You retain feathery, fluttery lashes.
So soft and beautiful, but full.
But full.
Yeah.
It really does create a false lash effect.
Yeah.
It's my go-to. Guys, this is my baby.
So let's talk about something that I'm obsessed with. It's my turn now. This is the Catch the Light Glotion from Wander Beauty in the color Celestial.
So pretty.
This is like such a problem solver for me because I'm always feeling like I just want to highlight like my entire face and become a disco ball. But Wander Beauty came out with this amazing hybrid, which isn't a highlighter. It's really like a moisturizer with
Yes.
an amazing glowy, dewy, glittery sort of shift to it. But it's not too much.
No, it's natural looking. And what's great about it too is you can do this all over your face without makeup and still not look like you're overdone. Just looks like you
Absolutely.
have perfect skin.
Yeah. I think it's time we get into some skincare.
Absolutely.
We covered some amazing skincare this year, and this month is no different. So let's start with Lancome. This is the Bi-Facil Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. And I am such a fan of this one.
classic.
Especially around the party season because I always take my eye look up just a couple
Bump it up.
notches.
Yeah.
And then I come home and I kind of need to also step up my removal routine.
Absolutely.
So this is perfect for that because you just soak a cotton pad, hold it to your eye for a few seconds, gone.
Nowadays, makeup is actually created for a super long wear effect.
Which we love.
Right, which is great, but it also means you really don't want to be tugging and pulling on it when
Right.
you're trying to remove it.
You're going to thank yourself in the
Yes.
morning because you won't have red eyes.
Yes. So up next, we have from Fresh, this is the Sugar Lip Caramel Hydrating Balm. It utilizes sugars, which will help to lock in moisture, protect from chapping, which we all need, especially around this season, right? It delivers a beautiful velvety shine to the lips, really gets a nice plumping going, but it also has the most beautiful smell, the most gorgeous scent, which
amazing.
really truly makes you just want to keep applying over and over
yeah.
again, which at the end of the day is beneficial to you and your lips.
Absolutely. Well, keeping with the Fresh Sugar collection, we have the Fresh Sugar Advanced Therapy Lip Treatment in the color Dream. It's basically like anti-aging for your lips.
Yes.
It's got sea fennel extract as well as orange peel that is really going to help, decrease the look
Yes.
of fine lines around your mouth. It's hydrating. It smells amazing. And because we know that sugar is a natural humectant, your lips are just going to feel supple for way longer, which I love about this product. Okay, so next up we have a cleanser. It's the Tarte Deep Dive Cleansing Gel from the Rainforest of the Sea
Yes.
collection, which, as you guys know, is exclusive to Sephora.
I love that.
I love a gel cleanser, and this one is non-stripping, super gentle, and it's got all those proprietary marine botanicals from the Rainforest of the Sea collection that are packed with antioxidants. So you're getting amazing anti-aging benefits while also gently and effectively removing
Yes.
dirt, debris, grime, makeup. Yeah.
Everything.
I love this one. It feels amazing.
Yes. Up next is from Clinique, and this is their Moisture Surge 72-hour auto-replenishing hydrator. What's really innovative about this and new is that it continues to rehydrate your skin for up to 72 hours.
Guys, that's the future.
Future. This is great for that person who worries about lack of hydration throughout the day.
Yeah, you can't moisturize throughout the day, but this is still working for you under your makeup.
It's so smart. So I think this is a really fun, interesting new moisturizer that I think a lot of you are going to enjoy trying out for the first time. So up next, we have Belief True Cream Moisturizing Balm. This is a really weightless, super hydrating gel cream, which has a cushiony consistency, right? It's easily absorbed into the skin. So there's no residue, there's no weight feel to it, there's
there's nothing
stickiness, there's nothing there. And this has become such a fan favorite. People have really gone crazy for this moisturizer.
Everyone tells me they love this.
It's really a lovely moisturizer. Okay, guys, so let's jump into some hair care. I know this is a favorite category of yours.
Oh, yeah.
So first up, we have from Bumble and Bumble. This is the Thickening Dry Spun Volume Texture Spray. So this is a translucent, weightless spray, and what it uses is a raw silk powder to really create an airy volume per strand.
Yeah.
This is like a hairdresser in a bottle. So you can sort of fluff up the roots really quickly and get volume. You can turn a ponytail into like a wow tail, you know, like you can really...
It's really easy to use.
Really easy to use. And if I can use it, anyone can use it. And Bumble knows their hair care. This is a great one for you.
Next up from Rouge is their Blowout Styling Cream. Now, you know, I talk to a lot of people and not everyone is using a heat protectant, and I think that is kind of a miss. If you use any type of hot tool, you're going to want an amazing styling cream, and I love this one. I use it before I heat style my hair, and I just feel like it's shinier. I have less breakage. It's preventing future breakage. It's filled with nutrients. This is one of my favorites. I really think anybody who's using a heat tool of any kind really needs to be using an amazing heat protectant like this one. I also get amazing results with this one just when I air dry when I use it. Yeah, so it's extremely versatile. More Rouge, which is really exciting. We have their 3-in-1 finishing spray. So this is going to add volume, hold, and shine. I love a finishing spray because it's not really a hairspray.
Right.
So you're not going to get that crispy, crunchy texture
at all
that people hate, especially on like a down sort of hairdo or a ponytail.
Relax,
But you are going to get a little extra volume. So you can use it on dry hair just as a finishing touch to kind of zhuzh it up a little bit. Give it a little extra oomph.
Of course.
I really like using this one on like day 2 or day 3 hair when things are looking maybe a little limp. But it also can do a little bit of hold on my flyaways, and it just makes my hair incredibly shiny.
Polished and beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow.
I am so excited to talk about this one because
so innovative.
This is the DP Hugh Apple Cider Vinegar Hair Rinse. Now, we know apple cider vinegar is like a superfood trend right now.
So good.
People are loving it, and it is amazing for hair. I love seeing innovation in the hair cleansing category.
Yeah, absolutely.
So when you add this to your hair cleansing routine in place of your shampoo a couple times a week or in between washes, you're going to get this amazing cleansing effect. You're taking out all of that gunk. Your hair is going to feel so clean, but not stripped. So it's still shiny. Your color is protected. I love this for my hair care routine right now.
Up next, we have from Briogeo, Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Since it launched, so many people have become avid fans of this. It's a once weekly hair mask. It's filled with delicious nutrients for your hair. B vitamins, rosehip oil, argan oil, collagen that saturate the strands. They bring any brittle hair back to its vibrancy. You put it on for 5 to 10 minutes, you rinse it off. I love their whole brand approach.
It's wonderful.
Just really great ingredients, so I love that. Up next, we have another, what I would say, pretty cool, innovative product.
Yeah.
This is from a brand called Verb, and this is their Ghost Oil. Ooh.
Don't be scared.
Don't be scared. It's actually really smartly named, very appropriate. It's gonna defrizz your hair. It's gonna detangle your hair. It's gonna give you that great shine that you want on your hair, but you're not gonna have any weight that you would expect from a hair oil.
No residue.
So that's the ghost part. It's like you can see the beauty of it, but it's sort of not there. You can't touch it.
Barely there.
Yeah, it's intangible. Everyone can enjoy this. I think it's a great product, easy to use.
Okay, guys, so normally this is the time in the video where we talk about beauty bonuses. But not this time. Okay, it is December. It is the season of giving. So we are giving you guys an extra trial size mystery sample. Okay, You don't know what you're gonna get, but you are going to get something amazing from the Play by Sephora box this year. We sent out a lot of great trial size samples, and you're gonna get a surprise extra one. So that's 6 trial size samples.
Love it.
And don't forget to tag us with Sephora Play to show us what your surprise was. We wanna see you guys enjoying it because it's pretty exciting.
It is.
And in addition to your 6th mystery trial size sample, you of course get your playbook, which comes with tips, tricks, hacks to use all of the beauty that you're receiving, as well as some fun content from us. We have a fun look back at the year in Play.
Love that.
So we hope you guys enjoy looking at that because it was super fun for us. And on every playbook, you of course get your Play Pass, which is good for 50 extra Beauty Insider points with a purchase in store and now online, which is a huge deal. And you'll find the code on the back of your pass. So definitely hold on to this bad boy because you're gonna want those points.
As always, guys, continue to share your unboxing videos. Make sure you're using the hashtag Sephora Play so that we can all see it. And you know what? It's holiday season.
It is, guys.
So guys, make sure you're using your products. Go to those great parties.
Holiday party season.
Have fun. That's what this season is all about. Put your glitter on, get your hair volumized. 'Tis the season for beauty. We will see you soon and take care. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
That was perfect. That wasn't great. That was freaking perfect.
It was really good.
And
Throughout the year in the Play by Sorry, I'm sorry. Out of the corner of my eye.
I just won't look at you.
She ain't going anywhere.
Oh, good.
Yeah, wow. Okay. All right, just fade out.
Okay. Obsessed.
Bye.
Is that good?
This is actually really comfortable. I was like, oh, wow, look at that. Well, hello.
We're so soft.
We are soft.
It's got a little bit of color to it. This one has, this one's already on my hand. As if by magic.
Seriously, I am so excited. I'm actually stealing this when we're done with this video. Like, I literally covet this mascara.
Wouldn't be the first time.
No, it won't be the first time.
Stealing is not funny, guys.
Yes, it is.
Thief!
Horrifying.
We'll see you soon. Bye.
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 See ya.